Welcome to Lefty's Fabrication. My name is Colin. It's good to have you. Over the last few months, I've been building this. It is a 2012 Dodge Avenger, and it's going to be my new car for the 2024 season of Trash Car Racing. I'm super excited. It's been a really fun build so far, and if you'd like to see the progress so far on the build, I'll leave a playlist in the corner. You can go check out all of those videos and see what I've done with the car so far. I'm now at the point in this build where I need to do some serious fabrication. I need to build bumpers, I need to build what we call rub rails on the outside of the car, and for that I'm going to need some space. And space is something I really don't have in the shop. And that is because this shop has turned into something akin to if a dumpster fire and a tornado in a trailer park aftermath got together and had a child. So we need to fix that. Are you subscribed yet? I seriously don't even know what to say for myself. I know what all this stuff is, because it's my junk. But like, why is it here? Like that fire extinguisher. I know it's empty, because I put out a fire in this car with it. Why do I still have it? Why haven't I refilled it? I don't know. Why is that level lying on the ground? I've probably stepped on it 4 or 5 times, and now it's no longer straight or level. So why? Why is my jump pack in the middle of the floor? Why is this exhaust in the middle of the floor? I could have thrown that away. This is super embarrassing for me. So this is me embarrassing myself enough that I actually do something about it. And yeah, I'm going to put it on the internet. I'm going to find a place for all of this stuff. It's all got to go somewhere. We're going to do something about it, and then I'm going to be happy and keep it clean for forever. Okay, I know that last part is a lie. I'm probably not going to keep it clean. I have super bad ADD, and I have a tendency to just set things down, and then they don't move for months. I desperately need the space in here. And it's super embarrassing because I'm trying to do, internet thingies, and this is my main building to do things in. Why am I rambling? I need to slow down a little bit. But this is super embarrassing. I have a bunch of stuff to clean up. Let's get to work. Believe it or not, this shop used to be immaculate. It was clean, everything was organized, and then it, like I said, it is turned into an absolute dumpster fire over the last little while. But I have figured out a trick. Because I do have fairly severe ADD, I had to come up with a way that could keep my brain engaged with the tedious task of cleaning such a large surface area. And for anybody else that has trouble cleaning, giant spaces that are really messy, it seems overwhelming, but I have a trick you can try. I pick a square that's cut into the concrete, and I clean that to the point where I've swept it and it is done, and then I move on to the next spot. Instead of like picking up my tools or picking up the trash first or organizing anything, because I get lost in that. I'll, squirrel! And then I'll get back to whatever I was doing at some point, or I'll start doing something else and nothing ever gets done. But if you do one section until you're done and then you move on, you can see the progress so much faster and you can keep track of where you are. Man, it's starting to get cold in here. I haven't even started cleaning yet, and you know what? I'm already cold. I put on a hoodie. But you know what? This is my favorite hoodie. I don't know if you can tell why, but I do love snowmobiling. There is just the most random compilation of stuff everywhere. I mean, on the shelves in front of me, I have a bunch of random stuff that I found at the thrift store because I went through a scrap metal art phase. There is a gold sluice underneath my DeSoto that I made last year because I went through a gold sluicing phase. I'm actually still kind of stuck in that one. I've got a lawnmower that doesn't run. I got it for free. What do you do? My bass amp is over here. I play bass. I'm pretty happy about it, actually. But my bass amp has been in here for a while because I don't have space in my house for it. I have a treadmill that my brother-in-law gave me. I've never used it. I literally just pushed it in here and it's sat in the same spot ever since. I used to have a space for everything, but I just keep like collecting. I don't know what to do. When I worked for the welding company, they had a bunch of stuff that they were wanting to get rid of, and I said, sure, I'll take that. I'll use it someday. I've never used any of it. It's literally just sitting over here in the corner. At some point, I'm gonna need to just do like a mass extinction of stuff. I have 5 bicycles in here. There's 3 people in my family. Why do I have 5 bicycles? I have 6 actually. There's 6 bicycles in here. I am a hoarder. I will admit I am a hoarder. I gotta tell you guys, I'm pretty happy with the progress that we've done in here. The wife and my mini-me came out for a little while to help me. And, you know, pretty much this whole corner is figured out, which is great. That's really what my major goal was. I still have a few more areas I need to clean, but I'm looking at making some more room. I can't really move my lawnmower because the tires are flat and I'm lazy. Hey, little guy, what are you doing? In here, there's so much room for activities. It's just like, woo! All right, this side is not 100% done, but it's getting pretty close. I haven't swept it. There's a few more things to move, but you know what? I'm super happy. Look at that. You can see the floor. You can walk around. You can swing your arms if you feel like it. Now I just have, you know, this corner over here to do and behind the camera. There's really not that much left, and I'm super stoked about it. I'm gonna keep rolling before I lose motivation. Just look at how nice it is over here. I got all these tools lined up against the wall. Some of these I need to make a stand for. I want to make a universal stand for my bandsaw, my drill press, and my planishing hammer. And then I just kind of shoved my bandsaw over here. This is a new tool that I'm super stoked about, but we're not going to talk about that yet. All of this stuff, minus the golf clubs and the English wheel, this stuff over here is for sale. If you want it, you can bid on it. And then, you know, I kind of cleaned up this area. Looks pretty good. But that is this half of the shop. Let's just ignore that. I still got to move my bass amp. This one's staying. I'm hoping I can convince the wife to let me put that back in the house. But we'll see. I got this area and this big jumbled mess over here. This isn't going to be too bad. It's mostly just tools. I took all the tools that were scattered around and put them up on my table. And then there's, you know, bits and bobs everywhere. But this is going to be pretty quick. This stuff, there's hardly anything there. I really can't move much of that anyway. Oh, I missed it. Stupid spider. Man, this thing is heavy. By the way, I've killed like 80 spiders since I started cleaning in here. And just in case y'all were curious, my favorite method is map gas. It works very good. They kind of go, and then there's no more spider. If any of you out there have any tips on how to organize a shop and make the workflow make sense, please leave it down in the comments. I would love to hear it. That's way better. Man, it's almost like I know what I'm doing. I don't. The problem with horizontal surfaces is they're a catch-all for stuff. Floors, tables, cars that haven't moved in a long time. And I'm trying to keep that from becoming a thing. Thank you all for joining me on this stressful, anxiety-ridden, awful adventure that I've been on. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. And I can understand if you're not subscribed yet. I haven't earned it and we aren't friends yet, but I'd love to change your mind in the future. We'll see you in the next video.